All right, folks, Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. I got to do a video on this car again because evidently the public is sleeping on how good of a deal this car is and how super nice it is. So anyway, if you got any friends, family that's looking for a car, mechanically that's good, cosmetically that's super nice. Anyway, this is a 2015 Nissan Altima. It's a 2.5 four-cylinder SL, so it's fully loaded to the max. Anyway, here's a couple quick shots of it. The car is in immaculate shape. I've actually drove it for probably the past couple weeks. I've been in and out of it, drove it several different times. So you may see it's got a little bit of dirt on the outside, but the body's in very, very good shape. There's one small spot on the front bumper right here. I guess she got too close when she was trying to park. But anyway, this was one of my wife's friend's cars, so I'm familiar with it. It was owned by the right person. It's from South Carolina, so no rust issues. Undercarriage is perfect. But anyway, look at the leather. The car inside screams new all the way. The inside is just, like I said, is basically almost in perfect condition. But anyway, full power options, factory sunroof, heated seats, all your controls on the steering wheel, wood grain interior, and the exterior is pearl white paint. So dude, it's a beautiful, beautiful car in person. I'm only asking $12,500 for it. It's a 15 with 60,000 miles. So if you think about it, you know, you're buying a car for just over 12 grand, 60,000 miles, a 2015, and loaded up, immaculate condition on top of that. So same thing, the body on the passenger side, very, very good shape as well. Tires are brand new, front to back. I wouldn't say brand new, but 98% tread, basically almost brand new. So anyway, if you got any friends, family members, pass along the info, man. I'd love to sell this to somebody local. It's such a nice car. It's so cheap. There's not much out there you can buy for $12,500 with 60K on it. That's that luxurious. And this car drives super, super nice. Four-cylinder. It's perfect for running up and down the highway. College students, things like that, just to get the better fuel economy. So anyway, Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, 2015 Nissan Altima. Give us a call, 540-898-1300. Follow us on our YouTube channel or Instagram at Deluxe_Motorsports. Talk to you then.